In this short video, we will learn how we can reset or format Mi Home security camera and then we change the Wi-Fi password. Because sometimes we change the Wi-Fi password but our Mi Home security camera is not connected with our Wi-Fi. So how we can monitor our camera without Wi-Fi if there is no Wi-Fi connected with our CCTV camera. So this video will help you how you can easily format this Mi Home security camera and then you can easily change the password and then add device Mi Home security app. So everything you can learn step by step. In my previous videos I already show that how we can change the password, but there are many people ask me to show us clearly, because there is some points are not clear. That's why I need to make another video on this same topic. So first of all, we connect our Mi Home security camera with the charger, because we have the to connect our camera and then give power. You can see it's running, it's connected. If there is no Wi-Fi connected, this one is blinking a blue light if this one is not connected with the Wi-Fi. So it's already connected, but I want to format so you can learn easily how you can step by steps. So what we need to do, the format, you can see here at the back, this one is, you can see this one is the switch. We have to long press until we listen the format complete.
Reset complete. Device booting. Please wait.
Reset complete, device booting, please wait. So our reset is complete already.
Code to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
Now you can listen. Our CCTV is waiting for the QR code to connect the Wi-Fi. So what we need to do, the first thing we need to go Play Store. We open the Play Store and then we type here Mi Home security camera. You can see on the top Mi Home. So I already installed in my mobile, so you have to install this app Mi Home and then open it. Once you open, you have to read the terms and condition. After that you agree and then click again agree, then select your location where you are located. So you select your location.
Waiting for connection.
After selecting the location, you have to sign up in the Mi Home security account. If you have already account, you just sign in.
Waiting for connection.
Then click the I have read terms and condition, then sign in. Then accept your location, allow notification if you want. Now here you can see the device is offline, so we need to click that device to remove first. So what we need to do, we just we click the three lines and then select the all devices and then click the device, and then bottom you can see the more option. You click the more option and then click delete device. So you click the delete device. Now it's already device is removed from our Mi Home security app. Now our device is already removed, so we need to add a device. So we click the plus icon on the top, we click the plus icon and then click add a device and then allow, turn on Bluetooth and then allow. Now Bluetooth is on. Here you can find out the scan QR code to add your camera. You can find out the QR code on the bottom here. If there is no QR code, you have to add manually. So what we need to do, add device manually. We choose the add device manually. We click that one. and then we find our camera model here. So I select the video camera, I click that one, then you can see scan QR code. Because we don't have the QR code, so we click the no QR code available, add manually. We click the add manually. Now we select our camera model. So I select my camera model and then
Waiting for connection.
click the device reset, and then here you can find out your Wi-Fi connections. So you have to add your Wi-Fi connection and then add your Wi-Fi password. Click done, click next. Now here you can find out the QR code. So what we need to do, we face the camera to QR code to scan directly from the phone.
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait.
So QR codes scanned successfully. Now it's waiting for the connecting. So connection is complete. You can see the blue light is already okay. You can see on the phone also set a room, so you can add any room name and then click next. Click next. You want to add any name, you can add also, then click next. Then if you want to share with anyone your home security camera, you can share. I'm not going to share with anyone, so I click the do not share for now, and then don't prompt, and then click agree. So it's already working perfectly, our CCTV camera. So it's working perfectly, our camera. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates.